Coming up here, you can hear my lawnmower going right here. John Deere X350. But sometimes it's hard to find the property line. So what I did, look through there. I put pool noodles on the, let's see, I'm trying to zoom in a little bit. See right there, pool noodles on the property line. You can see from the dirt road. So let's go to the dirt road and I'll show you. Okay, coming up here, I'm on a dirt road. See, now it's very easy to spot the property line from down here. And right there are the pool noodles. So we're going to go down the street right here. I did the same thing for my neighbor. So let's go look at her pool noodles. Okay, here we go. Running down a dirt road. This dirt road's probably 2 miles long, 2.5 or so. And down the street here, going about 1.5 miles, somebody was thinking about putting up an event center, which I'm not too crazy about, but it's not my property. So, there we go. Let's look for that other pool noodle over here. Apologize if the video's bumpy. There it is. There's the other pool noodle. I'll zoom in some. There we go. Anyway, on the other side of the property, on the other road, I ran out of pool noodles. So, let me show you what I did over there. Okay, my neighbor's across the street from the dirt road. That house is over there. I don't want to get too close for it. But you can see how thick the wooded areas are back through there. I'm going to show you what they did. I love what they did. I think it really looks good. And I'm sure it wasn't a cheap thing to do, but they own an excavation business. So, let's check this out. All this is their land. I really like this, what they did. Great job. Great job. Nice and hilly here for the kids. There's another neighbor. Let me turn this off. I'll be right back with you. Sorry about that, folks. I had to stop and talk to one of my neighbors. They came by. Anyway, you can see what they've done to this portion of their yard. And I'm really impressed with it. And I'm just guessing here that to get this done to my yard, which I'll show you in a little bit, it's going to cost tens of thousands of dollars. And that is just not in my budget. But you can see how cleared out it is up here. Really beautiful. The house is back that way. So coming up on the home on the corner, so I don't want to get people's private information in anywhere. So I'm going to cut this off and turn it back on in just a few seconds. It comes on when the sun goes down. couple of fallen trees up here. Happened on a tornado last summer. Okay, folks, here's the dirt road. See, it's a little bit different out here now. My battery died and I had to stop and go charge it. So a little bit more cloudy out here right now, but still nice out. But here's the corner, my property corner, the dirt road. When I first moved here, this was all grown up, all the way to that tree, right there. So I got a lot of that cleared out. Still, I got a long ways to go. About 3 or 4 months ago, the internet provider came in and put in this pole. So we're going to have fiber cable soon. A little bit excited about that. There's a tree that needs to be cut down soon. Coming down this way, my front yard, my well house, vehicles, home. Got a nice beautiful tree right here. Another electrical pole that handles my light that comes on when it's dark out. Another tree here in my front yard. See over here, we had a tornado a few months back during the summer. About 9 months ago now, but had some trees fall, so that's eventually got to be cleared up or just let nature take its place. Haven't decided yet. Got some Easter lilies growing up there. But this is the part that I was talking about that I would love to have cleared out like my neighbor has. It'd be great if I could do that. Seriously not in the budget right now, but those trees are going to be taken down, put on the ground. All this stuff, all this thin stuff I can take out myself. But the reason I'm bringing you down here is to show you my property line and what I did down here to mark it. More dead trees through here. I'll eventually get this done. I'm in no rush to do it. Plenty of time. Got the rest of my life. That's what I always tell my daughter. Got the rest of your life to do stuff like this, so don't rush it. Okay, when they surveyed the property, I came in later to put a marking on the ground right here to show my property line. And there, right there, is what I put on top of the wooden stake. It's a Christmas stocking. Anyway, just wanted to show you how I marked my corner property lines. Let me turn around right here. I want to get my neighbor's houses in there. My property line goes from here there we go, got to stop. Property line goes from here. Have all of that wooded area. Go up that way. That's the end of my yard. I have no fear at all of it flooding. But anyway, that's all I got for you right now. Just general talk and show you something that I've done. And we will get back with you later when we have another little talk. We will get back with you later when I have something else to just mumble on about. I do appreciate you watching.